Hello everybody, this is Brandon Reacts TV, and today I have another Woody Woodpecker reaction. This one is going to be Dippy Diplomat from 1945, so yeah, let's get into it.
Guess who?
That laugh always gets me. Ambassador Ivan Awful Hitch to attend barbecue at home of Wally Walrus. Wally Walrus again. Okay. Oh man. You already know Woody Woodpecker's gonna mess with Wally Walrus.
By Yemeni, these steaks smell good enough to eat.
Yeah, I mean, that's what they're for.
Maybe the ambassador would like a little more saucy.
Okay. Ooh, the scent's going. Motherhood. Oh, Woody Woodpecker sleeping there. Okay. Yeah, he's gonna wake up instantly. Okay, no, he didn't wake up instantly. It's getting now. Okay, it's dragging now. You know, Woody could eat, man. We already know that. There you go. Now he's gonna wake up. Oh man. Yeah, so the scent dragged him. I thought he was gonna wake up instantly when the scent hit his nose, but no. I mean, now he's awake. The corn, yeah.
Good boy. Me on the table.
Okay, just get a corn and leave.
I
No.
got a boarding house reach.
No, that's salt. Oh, okay. Wally Walrus is just watching him. Oh man, I love Wally Walrus. But man, Woody always just messes with him, man. Just leave him alone. What is that, butter? He's like, what is that? At least he got it on his apron. Oh no! No, Wally, move your hand from there. Why is he leaving his hand there? Oh no! No! Oh wow! Man, what did Wally think was gonna happen? Like he just left his hand on the sandwich. Oh man. Okay.
Now, by golly, you'll get no more free lunch for nothing.
Right.
This makes it more intricate. But I'm full of tricks.
Oh, it's a ping pong ball. Is he gonna crack all the eggs? Oh no.
Pardon me, but I think my ping pong ball landed in your hard-boiled egg.
No, that's not it. Woody Woodpecker, man. Just any excuse to get a free meal, man.
This is an egg. This is another egg.
You know that.
No,
Wally's just letting him, man.
nope, 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 nope. Oh, there it is.
Right, like he knew all along which one it was.
I forgot my paddle.
Oh no, now he has all the meat. And then Wally just let him do all that. Oh no, now he wants a steak. Woody. Come on, it's not yours.
Hey, did you see an arrow come over here? Oh, there it is.
And I guess I'll just take the steak that's attached to it too. Oh man, Woody.
So, this is your game, eh?
Right, now he figured out.
I always play for big stakes.
I love the laugh, but that was a good one. I always play for big stakes.
Maybe you like
Okay.
my little game.
Okay, got his revenge. Okay.
Ambassador, I've an awful itch.
Awful
You're a
itch.
barbecue.
Oh, awful itch. Oh man, yeah, I just got that awful itch. Okay.
A poem of Wally, Walrus. Well, what do you know? Guess who I'm going to have dinner with?
Nah, he's gonna pretend to be awful itch. Embassy rug cleaners.
Ambassador, I'm an awful itch.
Oh, that's a. Oh no, okay. Yeah, that's Woody. Oh, Woody, man. Is Wally gonna fall for this? Yeah, for a second I was like, no, maybe it is the actual ambassador, but no. Okay. Woody. Why are you kicking him? Man, and Wally Walrus is just letting him. He's positioning himself every time. There you go. The jig is up.
Hey, you look pretty hot with a beard.
Yeah, I mean, it's pretty hot. Like, literally. Oh, no. Man, what is even eating everything? U.S. mail. Oh, wow. For rent, no dogs. Wow, it's crazy. It just created a house. Okay. Yeah. Woody's gonna take everything. Oh, wow. Yeah, he's eating everything. Yeah, that's what he does. The laugh, man. Love it. Oh, and then he's on the train checks too. Okay. Now that was a great way to end the episode for sure. I love that laugh of Woody Woodpecker. So iconic, man. But no, it was so good, man. This one, another great episode. I love the ones with Wally Walrus. He's cool. I do enjoy him a lot as a character. But yeah, no complaints at all. This one was great. So please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.